Imagine having the power to capitalize on the hidden disparities or differences between cryptocurrency market prices, effortlessly navigating the vast expanse of cryptocurrency assets to seize lucrative opportunities. Welcome to the realm of inter-platform crypto arbitrage, where traders reap rewards of the market inefficiency. With the new application I'm about to reveal to you, you won't be able to go through tedious research, complex calculations, and costly market mistakes. All right. So Hunt. The name of the application is Hunt. This is a revolutionary arbitrage platform that empowers you to exploit price discrepancies across various crypto platforms with ease and precision. You can get Hunt on various exchanges on the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or on the Play Store if you're using an Android. So all you have to do when you're on the Play Store, since I'm using an Android, you just click on this search menu right here. All right. So when you click on it, just search for Hunt, and click on it, and this is the application right here. All right. This is Hunt right here. So all you have to do is click on it. All right, and over here that is written open. On yours is going to write install. So I've already installed mine, that's why it is showing open right here. All right, so after installing it, all you have to do is to open this Hunt application and see how it works. Now after installing this application, this is how the display is going to look like. All right, this is how the home page is going to look like. All right, as you can see, there are various arbitrage opportunities, and for those that don't know what arbitrage opportunity is, it is simply the art of buying a specific crypto asset on a low price on one platform and then selling that crypto asset on a high price on another platform. All right, for instance, this arbitrage called Credi is being bought, or is being traded at KuCoin at a lower price and then being sold at Bitmart on a much higher price than how it's been bought on KuCoin. So all we have to do is click on this Credi USDT to see more information about it. So as you can see, there's a percentage, or should I say there's a profit percent of 4.3%. So that means that if you invest $100 on this, minus the network fee, which is the network charge and everything, minus the gas fee and everything, you stand to gain 4.3% off of this this coin. All right, so all you have to do is buy at KuCoin, all right, at this price, okay, 0.01353, and then sell on Bitmart. So all we have to do is go to KuCoin. All right, we all know what how the KuCoin application works. It's just like Binance and Bybit and any other crypto arbitrage platform. So we just go to KuCoin, use our USDT to buy this Credi at this price. All right, at this price. All right, and then transfer it using the ERC network, since it is the ERC is being displayed over here, although ERC do have charges sometimes. So I'll advise that if you want to engage on this arbitrage, you use a higher capital, like $200 and above, to actually get, the more your capital, the more your return, because network fee is network fee. They don't charge let's say if you want to send $100 from Binance to Bybit, the network fee is the same as if you want to send $1,000 from Binance to Bybit. So it's constant. So when you buy this at this price, you then sell it on Bitmart at this price. All right, you sell it on Bitmart at this price that you're seeing right here. So there's a difference between 0.01353 and 0.014112. All right, so if you're using a higher capital, let's say if you're using $200, you stand to gain $8.3. If you're using $400, you stand to gain $16.6, taking consideration of this profit percentage right here. All right, and they all support the ERC network. All right, and this arbitrage application gives you another cutting edge of bonuses, but you don't get to explore, or you don't get to get this 4%, or you don't get to get a profit that is above 2% if you don't upgrade to Pro. I have upgraded my accounts to the Pro. Okay, there's a fee you pay, and you upgrade your account to Pro. They normally charge, I think, $20 per month to subscribe for the Pro level, and they charge at something in between is it $50 for 3 months plan. So when you get to the Pro, you're going to see a lot of profit percentage ranging from 12%, 18%, and above, just above 2%. All right. One of the things that I like with this application is that it gives you a filter, like a flexibility right here. If you don't want to go through the hustle and bustle of opening various or different accounts on different platforms, you can just choose the platforms that you have account on, and you are just going to be seeing only the accounts, or should I say only the arbitrage that exists within those platforms that you have account on. And if you don't want to use the Ethereum network or the Matic network or the BSC network, you can just toggle it on and off. We're going to go through that in a bit. And as you can see, just like I'm saying a while ago, there's much more profit percentage if you actually go for the pro version. And this is this is 22% right here. This means that if you're using $100 to make this or to conduct this arbitrage from gate.io, okay, buy SIS from gate.io and then sell it at Huobi, for every $100 you're going to be making $22.8. And even though arbitrage is time sensitive, right, you don't get to enjoy it for a while or for a longer time. At least if you do it 2 to 3 times, you stand to get $66. And there's nothing complicated on arbitrage, unlike spot trading or futures trading or forex trading, where you get to predict where the price is going, and it might not be able to reach where or go as planned or as how you have predicted it to be. Arbitrage is more finite, or should I say it's more definite, it's more predictive. You know that when you buy it low here and sell it high here, you're going to get a profit of this amount. So let's go to the filter button and see what it has installed for us. So we'll just click on the filter button, and it's going to take us to another interface. So this is how the filter button looks like. All right, so on this platform, on this interface, there's varieties of tracked exchanges that are working with this Arbihunt. All right, so ranging from Ascendex to Binance, BingX, BitGet, Bitmart, Bitrue, Bybit, Gate, and so on and so forth. There's so much over here, and below here is the network type that this arbitrage supports. All right, so you can just toggle on or off any one that you don't use and just leave the ones that you use, and the application is just going to be filtering only the ones or only the arbitrage that is available on the platform that you are currently using, if you cannot be able to open all. All right, and over here is the minimum percentage profit that you can be able to set. You can just set it to be giving you profit of 5% and above, 1% and above, 3%, 10%. It doesn't matter, or it doesn't matter how many percent you want. You can just set it over here, and this is the minimum exchange trading volume that you will want. So trading volume just means the amount of buys and sales that this a crypto asset is being sold or bought on the platform. All right, so if a crypto asset is being sold for at least $30,000 and above, then you can be able to use your $100 or $500 or $1,000 to make this arbitrage and make profit out of it. All right, and below is the minimum liquidity score. It's just liquidity is how will I put it, the rate or the frequency at which the buying and selling is being conducted over there. All right, but you won't get to you won't get to explore all this until you go for the pro. But I have good news for you guys. You can use my link. I'm going to drop a referral link down on the description list below, or on the description box below. You can use that link to actually pay for pro, and they are going to give you a 3-day free plan to be able to enjoy this pro version and see how things go before you actually make payment. And if you peradventure don't have the means to make this payment due to one reason or the other, I have created a signal group where you can be able to actually get hold of this arbitrage that is way above 2%. We do drop 5%, 10%, and much more on our signal group. So you can just join the signal group and pay half the amount that we are paying onto this platform. So instead of paying $20 for a monthly subscription to start getting all these arbitrage opportunities, all you have to do is pay half of $20 on the signal group and get the same percentage profit on this platform. All right, so that's just how this works. And they also have a chat section. All right, they have a chat section, so if you have any question to ask or any suggestion to make, you can just click on the chat section, and you're going to see people around the world that are using this application to actually make profit, and you can get to converse with them, talk to them, and share ideas and sharpen your arbitrage skill. I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a nice day.
If you sit down with 5 ice cream experts and all you talk about is ice cream, on a long enough time frame, when someone asks you about ice cream, you're going to know the answer. You're going to know how to store it, the different flavors, which flavors melt at which temperatures, which flavors are the most profitable. If you talk about ice cream with ice cream experts, you're going to know about ice cream. So if you talk about money with people who have money, you're going to know about money.